Hi everyone, this is the video number 10 of our ethical hacking using Kali Linux video series, and in this video we will learn what is footprinting in conscience and the types of footprinting, then why footprinting is important. So let's get started. First we will understand what is footprinting. So footprinting is an ethical hacking technique used to gather as much data as possible about a specific target, computer system, or a victim. For example, personal detail, company detail, system information like operating system, IP address, internet connection, and all information about target. So basically, footprinting is similar as information gathering, and it is the first important step in ethical hacking. If you are performing ethical hacking or ethical attack, then it's an important role to collect maximum information about the victim. There are also two types of footprinting. First is active and other one is passive. In active footprinting, we will make direct interaction with the victim and getting maximum information. And in this activity, victim know that someone trying to collect the data of that person. But in passive footprinting, we will make indirect interaction with the victim and getting all information about the victim. Like we can collect information from social media, email ID, search engines, education website, etc. So next one is why footprinting is important. So if we have information about the victim, then footprinting will help us to accurate attack. And it's also time saving because we already know the maximum information about the victim. Then it's similar as information gathering and easy to processing. Now if you understand the video, then hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and if you facing any problem, then comment me down. So that is enough for this video. See you again in the next video.